Hello everyone, I'm Sahang. I'm greeting from National Foreign Employment Association. So today in this video I explain to in our company's in job fair event and then one of the job offer. So our company's location is in Kandai Station, and then we have a everyday in job fair event. It is in Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It is 11 a.m. and then Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday and Sunday 2 p.m. And then if you visit in our companies in job fair, you can get the yellow tick. And then after that, during that day, you have a job interview. It is possible for lunch in our companies in first floor. So if you want to know more in our companies in contact number 0362068058, and then in our company's location in Kandai Station. Okay, so after that I explained one of the job offer. That company's location is in Gunma. So that company wants to 3 people, and then salary is it will start in 200,000 yen, and then that company is impossible in bonus a year in 2 times. And then if you challenge that companies in job interview, please visit our job fair, because our companies in every day have a job fair event, every day have a job interview. Okay, thanks for your time.